Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today, the 7th of February. So nothing really happened yesterday, basically down and up. So we've got a bit of an attempted pin bar here at a level. I don't trust it because we didn't quite get there, and then we've got an engulfing bar straight after that. So I am not of the opinion that this flag is over. So I suspect we're coming down here still to form a double bottom, and because we've missed that the first time, just pay attention to all the levels between these two areas. So you can see that's the first one, which is 15,276, and this is the second one at 15,202. Now I said flag, yes, there it is there, and it's a fairly decent one. So that is 3 touches, okay. And this is 2 touches there. So I'm just counting the fractals basically. Just move that up a little bit. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 touches. That is a fairly decent flag in my books. So you could also look at this here. So that's kind of the structure we've got. So you would expect price action to sort of pull back and come and test the breakout. And that pulls us into 15,323 and also 15,276. So if we just drop down to the hour, you'll see a little bit of structure forming here. So you can see this is looking like a bit of another flag that's forming. Oscillators group to the upside. A little bit of diversions forming as well on the hour. So I would argue that you're coming back into this zone for an opportunity to look to buy. So that's kind of the view that I've got right now. So I'd be watching these, and actually on the 15 minutes, it's not worth doing it on anything else right now. So that is what I'd be watching at the moment. So 15,323 and then ultimately 15,276. However, just be wary of the fact that we have broken through the 155 at the moment. So if we hold this area, and I'm going to put another level in for us. So if we kind of hold this area, and it's really messy because you can see tails to the downside, you can see tails to the upside. But if we hold this, then 15,369, then that is going to be a stop area. And just one more level just to really mess the charts up for you. That becomes a right shoulder. So inverse head and shoulder. There's shoulder, head, and then we're looking for a break above that, so 15,393. So either way, I'm looking to be long off 15,393, a break and retest of that with a stop below this range, or alternatively, I'm looking to come down and test the flag, which is a 3-hour flag, so it's fairly strong, and that's at around 15,323, and possibly even as low as 15,276. So that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. The hour is looking a little bit sad, so the hour is looking like we should fall. But what could also happen is we could just drift sideways and then pop above. That's also possible. And then the break is basically validated without having a retest. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm not looking for shorts. Definitely not looking for shorts yet. There is no short structure visible at all. And if you look at the crossover, it's a messy crossover happening on the 3-hour here in an upward trend. That to me is just a bit of a pullback, looking to come test some structure. The problem is we haven't tested that structure, so I would prefer a move down for an opportunity to buy. And this is 15,276, which is my preference right now. Okay, so that's kind of my view for today. Watching this very closely. It does look like it's starting to build something for us. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.